Hello guys, welcome to Peacock Way. In this project, I'm going to be using watercolor paints. I'm using mixed media paper and I'm using kind of like a dark brown color, and I'm going to paint on the edges. You can use any sprays if you want, but I thought of using watercolor paint, so it'll be something new. These are not like very expensive paints. It's just regular watercolor paints. And then I'm going to just splatter it on the page. Now I'm going to dry it. I'm going to use this neocolor crayons and add that also on the page. I like to use neocolor crayons because they are similar to watercolor paints. But when it dries, you cannot reactivate it. So now I'm going to heat everything, and now I'm using a distress oxide. It is a black suit, and I'm going to use the stamp and stamp it on the page. This is kind of like a grungy stamp, so I'm going to use that and stamp it on both the sides. I'm going to heat it and dry everything. Now I'm using the other distress oxide called Candid Apple, and I'm going to use this textured stamp, and I'm going to put it on the page. Now I'm going to heat this again. So I'm using this archival ink, which is called coffee, and I'm going to stamp uh, another kind of like a grungy stamp. Now I'm going to use a different stamp and same ink. Then I'm using number stamp. I'm using the stamp. It is like a stain, a stamp. Sometimes it is hard to explain the stamps, but then you can see that it is all like a grungy and stained, coffee stained stamps. Now I'm going to heat everything. Then again, I'm using this red archival ink. Now I'm going to splatter red paint and the black paint. Then now I'm going to dry everything. So this is a chipboard. I'm going to be using it. Um, then I'm going to use this leaf also on the side. This is a nice and thick chipboard. I think it is from 49 Market. So I'm using some gems and I'm going to put it on the top of the butterfly. Then I'm going to scribble it with the pen. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments in below. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas, so you can see the closer pictures in the end of the video. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next project. Thanks. Bye.